Hello, how is everyone? And I hope everyone has had a lovely day. Anyway, I've found a hack that I have been exploiting for a while, and I thought, okay, that sounds interesting. Well, when I say a while, I mean in 14 minutes, and it seems like a good one. Well, if you don't know what I mean by the hack is simple. Star Wars.
I can't seem to open the app.
It gives you 5 points every time, or 15. Star Wars. Star Wars.
Uh-oh, I can't seem to open it.
Again and again, you can level up quickly from this. Star Wars.
Uh-oh, I can't seem to open it.
It was playing around with me, thinking I didn't know what to do. And seriously, sometimes it mishears what you say, and probably like every human is out there as well, we always expect it from anyone. Like, for example, you say something wrong, or someone mishears you. I remember this one person where I said, "That's a Samsung Galaxy 3 tablet." And they were like, "No." They got riled up because I said one thing and they thought I said two instead of three. You always try and listen as much as you can. You always will mistake what they said, even if it's your best friend or not. Free tablet, not a two. Blooming thing. Sorry, really need to change a few things over quickly and sort it out. Anyway, it locks its screen when you don't expect it to. And it really does get annoying. Personally, I think it's irritating at times. Yeah. Anyway, I better sign off. Bye.